wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
15 rules for success. 1. Don't waste time. 2. Maintain continuity. 3. Practice makes us perfect. 4. Build self-confidence. 5. Keep moving forward. 6. Never stop learning. 7. Adapt to change quickly. 8. Be happy in all situations. 9. Talk to more people. 10. Honesty is the key to success. 11. Attitude is everything. 12. Focus on your strengths. 13. Believe in yourself. 14. Never give up. 15. Patience and persistence.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.